Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video, and let's dive right in. Right now, the main thing we want to keep in mind as we kind of head into the last final stretch of the rest of the year is we do have a tale of two markets. So we have a daily chart where we're looking at this and it's like, okay, we're still in an uptrend, we're kind of at the mean, and most likely we should buy this and it's going to make new highs, which by the way, I do think the Qs are going to make one more push to new highs into the end of the year, early January. But bigger picture, what we want to keep in mind is the monthly chart. The monthly chart, the squeeze fired off Q1 2020, and the monthly chart has kind of gone straight up. The squeeze is now over, okay? And so what happens when there's a monthly squeeze and it's over? You kind of flatline and then you dip. And this is a dip in a strong market, all right? That was, by the way, that was a pre-COVID dip. This was COVID. And part of this is just kind of understanding, like, okay, well, what does the market, what does it do in that type of a situation, right? And so here you can see we had the nice run, and then, I mean, that's a pretty decent sell-off to 34 on the monthly chart. Here we had one, and once we got this, there was this real nastiness kind of here, but again, you're selling off into this kind of zone. And of course, that was a down squeeze. And then this squeeze, when it ended, of course, that was 2008. So the question is what can we expect on a go-forward basis? Well, remember, even a strong market, okay, even in a strong market, typically in this scenario, you're going to go sideways. And at some point, you're going to test the 21 to 34 EMA. And that's just going to be looming out there. So, right, we have to be ready for that. And the other thing to keep in mind is if we look at some of the other sectors, of course, the spiders look very similar to the Qs. The Russell's already dying, right? On a daily chart here, it already looks horrible. I hope we actually get another rally here because this is one of my favorite shorts setting up. I don't have it right now because I keep thinking it was going to get a little bit of a bounce. But then when I come over here and I look at the monthly chart, I mean, the Russell tends to die pretty quickly. So the last monthly squeeze here, we rolled to the 55. That would take us to 172, and I think that's very possible. So keep in mind, with the monthly chart, the wind is gone. Like, the wind at your back is gone. And that just means that we're not going to see these kind of easy multi-week runs with very shallow pullbacks. That is over. We're already seeing the end of excess speculation with AMC, with GameStop. We're seeing crypto selling off into the end of the year, which I think a lot of that is going to be more wash sale ruled. But, remember, the end of a bull market always ends in a speculative phase. And when the speculative phase ends, things get, very dicey very quickly. So, I don't pretend to know exactly what's going to happen next. Is the NASDAQ going to go to 25,000 next year, or is it going to go to, 12,000? But when we're looking at the way the market is setting up, at least the upside is looking limited, and we got to keep our eye on the downside. All right, I'll dive into some more symbols in the premium video. Just keep in mind the structure of the market is changing. That's fine. As long as you understand that the structure is trading, you can make adjustments to trade for it, which typically means, by the way, a little bit bigger size and much smaller targets, so you can kind of still make that same net. And we'll talk more about that. All right, you guys have a good night, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.